the value of what analytics and how it helps their businesses.
If you've got a website and you're not having either yourself or anybody looking at your analytics, you're pretty much shooting in the dark with what you've invested into that website.
So the audience understands, where do you fit yourself into the equation?
A digital marketing strategist or even a digital business strategist, as well as with your website, what is it that you want the website to do for you? What is it you want visitors to do as a result of seeing your content, or hopefully your calls to action, or whatever it might be? That's the key.
Why do you personally think that many small business owners find analytics so confusing?
So, you can say, are my sales trending upwards or downwards? And obviously that if you're selling directly on the site, one of the things that we measure is how long people spend on the website, which means, that they're engaged by your content.